Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. And here select motions and gestures, and here you go to turn on the button against double tap to turn on the screen. And now turn on the screen when you double tap it. Okay, so see here, I locked my phone and now I double tap on the blank screen here, and screen is waked up, screen is turned on. Okay, so in this way you can easily set double tap to turn on screen. Once again I am checking, I locked my phone in the empty screen. I double tap on this empty screen. See here. So in this way you can easily set double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.